guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Kaylee. For today's video, I'm partnering up with Madam Glam. They were kind enough to send me a few of their products, so I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and then a try-on review at the end. So if you're not familiar with Madam Glam, they are a vegan gel polish company based in New York. They create all cruelty-free vegan gel polishes. Their mission is to create salon quality nail and gel polishes at affordable prices. They were kind enough to send me a few of their products, so I'm super excited to be trying out some of their products. They sent me their starter kit, which comes with the mini UV lamp and then top and base coat and 3 gel polishes in the colors of your choice. I've been really into doing my nails at home recently. I just find it so much more affordable. It takes me a while, like honestly, I think it takes me like 2 to 3 hours to do a full manicure, but it's worth it. It's worth not spending over $100 every time I get my nails done. And I was super excited when they reached out because I was actually wanting to get some new colors for the summertime. I wanted some brighter, more fun colors, so they reached out at the perfect time. So I'm super excited to be trying out some of their products. At the end, I am going to show you guys how they're applied and do a little review and stuff with you, so make sure you stick around till the end. But first, let's unbox. So it first, of course, comes with your mini UV lamp. I really love the look of this UV lamp. It's like super sleek and just like clean looking. This is what she looks like. So got the top there, you've got your button, of course, and then the where you plug in the cord. It does come with a cord as well. I think my cord is actually plugged into my PowerPoint still, but you have the cord that goes in there, and then the legs, of course, open up there. And I actually, what I found with this one, it's super sturdy. I found with some mini UV lamps that the legs can be kind of like not very sturdy and they kind of close in on themselves sometimes, but I found this one to be pretty sturdy, and I feel like I'm really gonna enjoy like doing my nails with this. I also feel like it's a decent size for a mini lamp as well, so I'm super excited to try this out and see how she works. And then of course we have all the nail polishes in here. I love how this came packaged. It comes with like that little rip-off strip here, so super easy for opening. You don't need to worry about cutting it open or anything, so love that. And then it just looks super cute. On the top there it says everything you love at your fingertips. So yeah, I just thought the packaging for this was very like well thought out and super cute. But then of course we open it up, and again inside I just feel like it looks so cute. I honestly will probably keep this box just to keep my polishes in because I just think it looks really cute. Of course the foam is like put in there to protect the nail polishes, but I also just think it looks super cute as well. So I love that, love the packaging. So then of course we have our base and top coats. They're both soak off, and the top coat is actually a no wipe top coat, which I like because you know how usually once you do your nails you have to wipe it with like an alcohol pad just to get rid of the residue. Apparently you don't have to do that with this one. Honestly, I've never tried a no wipe top coat, so I'm curious. I am curious to try it and see the difference. But yeah, and then for the colors, I got some fun colors here. So the first one is one of their Holographic Cat Eye gel polishes. I thought this would be super fun just to put on top of a color, so I'm excited to try this. It's just like a silver glittery holographic sort of color. I'll have videos and stuff for you guys so you can see close up, but that's what she's looking like, so I'm excited to try that. I can't remember the last time I had like fun, like sparkly nails. And then the next color I got is a like lilac color. This one is called Lilac Lace. I thought this would be so fun. I'm honestly probably gonna use this one to paint my nails for this video. So I don't know, I thought that was super fun and cute. One of my favorite colors, so I'm excited to try that. I might do like the purple with the holographic one on top. I feel like that'll look cute. But then I also got this really nice blue color, which I'm excited to try. I don't feel like I've never really done blue on my nails, and I feel like it's gonna look super cute for the summer when I'm like tanned. I feel like it's gonna look really nice. But this one is called Blue Passion, so it's this like baby, really baby blue sort of color. So I'm excited to try that as well. I honestly can't decide whether I want to do this or the lilac. I wish you guys could help me decide over the camera, but you can't. I'll unfortunately have to decide myself. If you're interested in picking up anything from Madam Glam, I do have a discount code with them. It's just Kaylee35. I'll put it at the bottom of the screen in my description, so that'll get you 35% off your order. I'll also put the link which you can shop from in my description box, and if you actually click on that link to get to the website, it'll automatically apply my discount code for you, so you don't need to worry about adding that in. You also have the option to get a VIP membership with Madam Glam as well, so that's kind of like like their subscription service, or if you don't want to have a membership, you can just pay as you go. I do believe you get products at discounted prices though if you do have a membership, so definitely worth checking out. But all that info will be in my description box just in case you're interested. But let's get to painting my nails. I am definitely due for a fresh manicure. My nails are not looking great right now, so let's get to it. I already went ahead and prepped my nails. I applied Gel X and already filed the top of the nails so they're ready for the gel polish application. I of course started off with one layer of the base coat. I personally like finishing off the first 4 fingers and then moving on to the thumb. I just find this easier for placing it under the UV lamp. I really like the brush on the base coat. The round shape helps with applying the product, especially around the edges of your nail. I cured it under the lamp, just pressing the button once. I believe one press is 45 seconds. Next for the color, I honestly struggled to decide which color to go with. They're both so pretty, but I did decide on the Lilac Lace. To be honest, I kind of wish the brush was the same shape as the base coat. I'm sure there's a reason why it's not, but honestly, I still found the polish really easy to apply. It feels super smooth and not chunky at all, which I think really helps with an even application. After the first coat, I felt like the color was super light, but once I built it up, it turns into the most beautiful lilac color. This is what it looked like after one coat, and honestly, even though the color is super light, I feel like the polish itself is super pigmented, and it didn't take me long at all to build up the color. I did 3 coats in total, curing it for about 80 seconds between each coat. Then I went on top with the Holographic Cat Eye polish. Guys, I'm obsessed with this color. In the bottle, it looks really silver and the glitter looks kind of chunky, but once applied on the nail, it gives the most beautiful holographic sparkle and it works perfectly with the lilac color. I went on top with 2 layers of the Holographic Cat Eye just to add a little extra sparkle. I love how this ended up looking. And again, I cured it for about 80 seconds between each coat. I of course finished off the nails with 1 layer of the top coat and cured it for 90 seconds. Since this is a no wipe top coat, my nails were completely dry with no residue left, which I found super convenient. Overall, I love how my nails turned out. I love the colors and I love how seamlessly they apply. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for partnering with me on today's video and for sending me these stunning products. I honestly cannot wait to try more colors from the brand. I hope you enjoyed the video. As I said, all the info for Madam Glam will be in my description box in case you're interested in picking up any of the products. But as always, thank you so much for being here and watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!